Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So today our topic is we're going to discuss how to create a navigation stack and also how we can create a tab bar color in the tab bar which we have created. For that, we have already created a tab bar in the previous video. If you didn't watch the video yet, you can watch our previous video for tab bar, how we can create the tab bar as well. And let's start with that changing the color of tab bar. So for that, we have to use dot accent color, and in the color we are going to use our custom color which we have already created. Okay, so for that you can check the dark green which we have already created. You can create by yourself as well your custom color if you want to create that. For that you have to go to plus button here and click on color set, and in the color, so you can change it to any name. We are going to use dark yellow, and in any appearance you can change the RGB colors to any that you needed for that. So we are using a dark yellow, and in any appearance you can do that, and in dark you can do that as well. So if we are not using this one, we can remove that and use any appearance. It will show us for the both colors. So for now we are using dark green that we have already created. We just copy that and go to the main view and just paste it here. Okay, so here you can see our color is now changed. If we can just close the view, let me just close it for you so you can check how it will show us the color of that. So we just need to change it to this, and here you can see our color is dark green. Okay, so that's why how you can change the color of your tab bar using accent color. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is a navigation stack for all screen which we have already created, like this one, the order view. If we just click on order view, it will show the top of the title of the navigation, and we click on account, it will show the account, and we will click on appetizer, it will show the appetizer. So first of all we have to go to order view, and for that we have to use a navigation stack. So this one is navigation stack, and we just need to remove it from here and paste it here, so it will show the title view as well. And for navigation title we will use a navigation title, and we will use order view. So we need to just remove it from here, and we need to put it inside the view. So it will, now you can see it's showing an order view on the top of that using navigation stack and navigation title. We just need to copy that it from here, and we need to paste on other screens as well. So for that we just have to paste it here and paste it here on appetizer view as well. So we just cut that from here, and instead of order we will use appetizer view, and here as well with the navigation title, so it will show us the right title and right name. And also we need to remove that account view from here and paste it here as well, and we can just replace the account view. So we need to move to the main view. So now you can see when we click on any screen, it will show us the title of that navigation as well on every screen. Hope you like our video, and hope you learn something new, which is changing color in tab bar, and also how we can use a navigation stack in multiple views when we have embedded that in tab bar. So thanks for watching, and if you like our video, please subscribe our channel so you can watch more videos related to iOS and other topic as well. So far now we are covering SwiftUI, so hope you are learning something new on daily basis. And if you have any suggestion or anything that you want to add, you can just comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy coding.